Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today, we're on an ultra clean 2015 Nautique G25. Starting off at the swim platform here, you can see the sea deck's all in really good shape. Nice wide walkthrough here. Nautique's famous for storage underneath both of these here. This does have the filler pad for back here as well. Okay, coming in here. Nice seating all the way around here. Board racks, speakers, lots of them. All right, coming up here to the helm, rated for 19 people. Here's your screen, storage under this seat as well. Then up in the bow, this does have the air dam, as you can see. Nice deep bow in these. So if you guys are looking for a very gently used, low hour, freshwater Nautique, it's been stored under a covered dock its whole life, you got to check this one out. Right at 90 hours, this boat's ready to go. Thanks, have a great day.